Yes.
Adjournment request, if any, from item number 1 to 14.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
My Lord, I beg to mention item number 11, my lord.
11.
Yes, my lord. We have filed an adjournment request.
Circulate. All right. All right.
May I please, Your Lordship, with consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 4 of today's list, Your Lordship. In this matter, Lordship, Senior Counsel Mr. R. Sharma is having some personal difficulties today. So, also I'm praying, Your Lordship, to let the matter come up in the month of Feb.
As prayed for after consent. Sometimes in February. Yes.
23rd February,
In respect
23 to.
item number 6 to 8, my lord,
Yes.
I have circulated an adjournment slip. ma'am.
Adjournment slip circulate 6 to 8.
Obliged, lordship.
24 to. Any other request?
May I please, Your Lordship? I pray for listing of a matter tomorrow, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, who is not the borrower, my lord, has been dispossessed from her property and a notice for intimation of sale has been served upon her. And the period of 30 days, my lord, that will get over by 12th of January, my lord. So, my lord, and petitioner, she is not the borrower, my lord. She is the old lady, my lord, of 78 years, my lord. Can it be
Can
taken
that
up?
be decided here?
My-
Can that be decided
my lord,
here?
my lord, that
We have no difficulty in placing the case tomorrow,
my lord,
but then can it be decided here?
they are
Your borrower or your guarantor or whatever is the situation, you're the inheritor of the property, or whichever.
she purchased well after the NOC has been given by the bank.
That's right. So these are matters which can be agitated before an
And my
appropriate
lord,
court.
the prescribed procedure has also not been followed, my lord. The
Even then,
section 14, my lord, that gives the proviso, my lord.
section 14 is all right. Now, anything done, it could be agitated before the DRT. I don't think so. That's a
because my
waste
lord,
of effort.
the 226 can be invoked, my lord, if there are the procedures, my lord.
We understand that.
That
We
has been not been
understand
followed, my lord.
226 cannot be limited.
And my lord,
We
this
are aware of
lady.
the law position that
Yes, the
226 cannot
natural
be-
justice has also not been followed, my lord, because
Sorry,
she
we
have not
we
been
will not.
served with a summons, my lord, with the, and she has not even made a party in the proceeding, my lord.
No, everything
She is
is
not even a party in the
No, that's
proceeding.
okay. That is, you can be restored your possession. Go before the correct forum. Don't bark up the wrong tree.
In 220, under 226, my lord, if my lord, the principles of natural justice were not been followed, my lord, then it can be taken up, my lord. I can
We
satisfy
are aware
with
of all
judgment,
this.
my lord.
Along with you are aware of judgments, we are also aware of judgments, but we go back to the main judgment, Satyavati Tandon. And otherwise also, these are issues. 226 power cannot be curtailed.
In
We
similar matter, my lord have issued notice, my lord. In a similar petition, my lord.
Very well. You know the result. So tomorrow it shall be listed.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord. At least we can make it try, my lord.
Please don't
I'm
insist for something
humble,
which is
humble, my
not
lord.
possible.
Very much humble, my lord.
You try tomorrow.
Humble, my lord.
Yes, Mr. David.
Item number 14, Lordship. I beg to mention on behalf of R. Devi Lanet CVC. Lordship, she has got some medical issues. Lordship, she is in Kolkata. Lordship.
This is a great pay enhancement by the cat.
Lordship.
Oh, what do you want?
Lordship, 2 weeks time maybe granted, we will file the affidavit. We are supposed to file also reply.
We'll say on account of unavailability of MSR Devi, learned advocate for the Union of India / petitioner, the matter is adjourned to give a date in March 1st. Yes.
6 March.
Obliged. Obliged.
May I please, as a lordship, my lord, I'm back to mention item number 9. My lord.
At number 9,
My lord,
seniority of teachers
my lord,
by age, by merit. Is that
my
the
lord,
case?
my lord, my lord.
And then
Because my lord, due to my personal difficulty, I could not prepare, my lord, yesterday. My lord.
Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned advocate for the appellant, seeks an adjournment in the matter after having taken the consent of.
No, my lord, I have to inform.
You have to inform.
Right now, I will inform you.
But we will not pass an order unless you inform.
Yes, my lord, I will inform the honorable court master also.
At the request of Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned advocate for the appellant, the matter is adjourned to so and so. But you inform
No,
the other
right
side,
now-
then only, and you
I will
must,
inform.
then only the order will be
Mile,
signed.
mile.
17.
Obliged. My lord, my friend is here, my lord, for the private.
All right, we are adjourning the matter.
Obliged. Sorry, my
Daily list for orders item 1.
In this case, we have filed our affidavit, Your Lordship. We have forwarded the list of vulnerable people to the Lakhimpur Zilla Parishad, Your Lordship. But that has probably not been,
It has not, it is
not been
here.
tagged, Your Lordship.
Here. An affidavit on behalf of the missing autonomous council
Lordship.
/ respond number 3 has already been filed in the register, but the same has not been placed on record. Let the affidavit referred to above be placed on record on the next date. You have been served a copy?
Yes, Lord, I have received.
List this matter on. We fix it early.
Lordship.
We must know what's happening.
Lordship.
There have been 3 deaths in one family.
Yes.
Re-notify first week of March.
Deeply obliged.
Second March, 2, 3. Item number 2.
Item number 2 and 3 are analogous. It is listed at my instance, Mala. But due to my personal difficulty, I could not prepare the two major. Mala. This is
Notice you have not.
Mala,
You have not filed.
that
Where
is
the affidavit of.
affidavit could not be filed because my personal level, I was out of station these 2 days.
What
Mala.
do you want then?
Well, can it be after Bihu vacation so that in the meantime we will file the
All right. we
dusty
don't say
affidavit?
anything. We only adjourn the matter at your request.
Highly obliged, ma'am.
He will take steps. Just ask him. At the request of Mr. V.K. Goswami, learned advocate for the petitioner, alag likhna, the matter is adjourned to.
Date may be fixed so that.
9 February.
But in the meantime, you take steps
Mala.
in the second case, and in the first case, you
I have
file your
already
affidavit.
I filed the dusty affidavit, Mal.
But we are not taken step in the next item.
That is what I said. Take steps for issuance of notice
Mal.
in the second case.
Mal.
That is item number 3. And in item number 2, you file the affidavit of dusty notice having been.
And 23 2. 23 February. Change school. 23. Item number 5.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the last actually order,
You are appearing for whom?
I am appealing for this item, this response number 2 and 3.
Who appears for response number 4?
Lordship, on the last order, the order was such that I was to request them. So what I did is I went to the State Bank of India and also I have sent a letter also. But as of now, I have not got any replies, phone calls, nothing.
Who appears for the petitioner?
Lordship.
Here.
Lordship, I will file a rejoinder. Kindly allow me 2 weeks time. Yes, he is working.
At the request of learned counsel for the petitioner, who seeks an adjournment for filing a rejoinder affidavit. The matter is adjourned to March 1st week. In the meantime, take instructions, appear for response number 4 as well.
Okay.
You are appearing.
Okay.
The pleadings, the notice to all the respondents have already been served.
13 March.
List this matter under the appropriate heading of admission. Reflecting the name of the advocates appearing for the respondents.
Item number 10.
May it please the Lordship. My Lord, this writ appeal is against an order passed by the learned single judge, which your Lordship will find. The original writ petition was filed by the bank challenging an award passed by the Labour Court, Central Government Industrial Tribunal, reinstating the appellant in service with full back wages. Now, my Lord, in the writ petition, the basic grievance of the bank was that the matter went ex parte against them as they could not be represented by their lawyer who. But my Lord, this argument, in
this case, the Punjab National Bank appearing was the next party about. There is
Extra
the
property, look at it.
17A. So remand the solicitor means it can be argued that the improvement of such cases remand or not. Who appears for Punjab National Bank?
My lord, copy was served. In fact, I'm told that Mr. Shishi Datto.
What is your ground? Otherwise, we find that the award is very cryptic. It is very perfunctory. The
My lord-
issues were framed, but nothing was decided.
My lord, for
Party,
that,
we understand.
lordship
Mr.
may have a
Counsel,
look
first
at
try
the
and-
award.
First, try and hear what the
My
court
lord,
is
my-
saying.
I'm sorry.
Otherwise, how will you answer?
My lord, I'm sorry.
You have to formulate your point.
Man,
Normally, in such a remand, we do not interfere unless the remand itself is bad.
my lord,
Now, there are, positive laws with respect to remand.
my lord.
The remand cannot be effected for the purposes of the other party improving its case or having a second inning.
My lord.
And in this case, so you have to argue. I can't argue for
My
you.
lord, if your lordship grants me time, I'm placing my argument, my lord. My lord, first of all, my lord, the award went ex parte because the contention of the bank is that their lawyer did not appear. The first submission, my lord, I have made this argument that
Factually, you may be correct.
the bank did not engage any lawyer.
That's all right. We are here. We are not deciding on facts
My lord,
only.
my lord.
Though law operates not in vacuum but on facts. But see, what is the provision in such cases?
Because
Under
my
the
lord,
Industrial Disputes Act, what is the provision?
my lord, the issue was whether the management of the bank is justified in terminating.
Please.
So the onus on
Mr. Counsel, we have given you sufficient hint. We can't substitute our wisdom with yours. You're holding the brief,
my lord.
so you must argue.
Yes, my lord.
Have you examined the provision under 17A of the ID Act? That should be your main argument.
My lord, while remanding the matter,
We will ask the
lordship may grant me 5 minutes time to at least place my case, my lord.
if you're not understanding, what do we do? We are only improving upon your case. We are only trying to help you out to come up with the correct argument. You take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, unless you address us on this, perhaps you'll not be able to convince us. We are finding that there is some problem with the remand.
Because, my lord, there was the permission has been given to the bank to lead evidence.
See, if you come prepared and not ready to hear what the court is saying, आपकी point सही है, लेकिन जो point हमें convincing लग रही है, उसको तो ध्यान दीजिए. Do you follow what I say?
My lord,
What?
I have to examine the provision of 17A.
You have Industrial Disputes Act.
My lord, in a hurry, I left it in my chamber.
You are in a hurry even while addressing the court.
Well, because
You must look at the case from all possible angles. Then only you can convince the court. Normally, we would say that a single judge has remanded the matter. You get an opportunity. Everything is all right. From the point of vulnerability, the matter has been remanded. Why should we interfere? But we are inclined to think in the other direction for the reason that this should have been taken care of by 17A and not by remand. This is one of the arguments which perhaps would convince us for interfering. You are arguing on something else. You are talking of facts that no lawyer was engaged or some lawyer was engaged, but he did not appear. This cannot be done, and therefore. And what about if you take all these grounds, then the court will put you a question that if the issues have been framed, even in the absence of the lawyer for the other side, those issues had to be decided. No.
if your lordship looks at the award, the learned labor court has held that the onus of proving or justifying their action was on the management. The bank management failed to produce any evidence. The bank management, I'm taking your lordship to that part of the award.
Nobody appeared on behalf of the bank. So this is what will happen. We are on a different issue altogether. If you don't, idea he is not ready to listen. We are providing you with a necessary ground for you to succeed in this case. You are harping on something else. Very surprising, Mr. Counsel. Very surprising. आपको मैं point बता रहा हूँ क्या बहस करेंगे हम फिर भी आप.
In that case, lordship may take up this matter tomorrow. tomorrow.
Give us the industry. We are inclined to interfere, you're not. For anything, we'll have to hear the lawyer for the Punjab National Bank.
Or Lordship may take up this matter at 2, my lord.
Is it, Mr. Has notice been issued?
No.
Let notice be issued to respond number
2.
Respond number 2. Who appears for Punjab National Bank otherwise?
Senior counsel Shishir Datta.
Can you inform Mr. Shishir Datta?
My lord, I can. Respondent number 1. Respondent number 1 is the bank. 2 is Union of
Let
India.
notice be issued to respond number 1 / Punjab National Bank. Notice, if he would come, we can ask him to receive the notice, file his response. Can you inform him?
My lord, I can inform my lord.
Please inform. We'll give you some. You are Mr. Chakravarti.
Yes, my lord.
Argument means you understand the observations of the court also.
I'll inform.
ID at नहीं रखते हो यहाँ. Anyway. Detail.
Item number 12.
Yes, Malata, kindly produce the last order.
This is item number
12, Malata.
12, Malak.
12.
Last order dated 19/11/2020.
Yes. Well, has
Malak,
it come?
yeah,
Rules
Malak,
have come.
the government has formulated an executive order. They have issued an executive order for regarding procedure for issuance of retail license, Malak, under the Assam Public Distribution of Articles Order 1982. That will follow as on today, Malak. It was issued on 1911.
Where is that?
I have a copy, Malak.
Give him a copy.
Do it at it.
Give him a copy. We'll hear you on some other.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
I think then your grievances have been redressed.
Yes, Malata.
According to
Give him
this,
a copy.
I'll give. Definitely, I'll give.
Let this matter come up for consideration on immediately after view.
After very.
Lordship.
Just have a look at it.
Yes.
Then perhaps your grievance is redressed.
Yes.
There has to be this executive 5/8 will not do.
Yes.
There has to be a rule promulgated.
Yes, Malata.
They will, Malak. Otherwise,
They
Malak,
would. But in the meantime, in the interim, this will do.
yes,
Yes.
Lordship.
Just find out whether the executive instructions are good enough,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And then we'll say.
I'll see.
We'll show, Malak. It will
That
take
will suffice.
It will suffice. Their cases will be considered accordingly.
All right.
Malak.
Have a look at it. And
Yes, Malak. I'll place.
20th January.
Lordship.
Item 13.
Where is Mr. Nayak?
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, there are several departments are involved, Lordship. So far as GMC and PW are concerned, Lordship, we have already filed affidavit. Further, we receive instruction from the GMD and Water Resource Department. If Lordship permits, Lordship, I can bring this.
No, we want a collated information with respect to steps taken for a stoppage of such artificial floods in Rukmingaon.
Yes, Lordship.
So you have to collate all information from all other authorities
Lordship.
and you have to get back to us.
Lordship. Lordship, in specific, that is reflected in the instruction furnished by the GMD.
We are not trying to put the blame on you.
Lordship.
But then you must also understand that this is not an adversarial litigation.
Yeah, understand.
If it is not an adversarial litigation, you please collate all information from the affidavits by the other stakeholder.
Lordship.
And then let us know what can be done.
Lordship. Lordship.
Correct? That is what people of Rukmingaon are interested in.
Lordship,
not for winning or losing this case.
I understand. And
Please go through other affidavits,
Lordship,
collate all such information. Sporadic information, some here, some there will not do. And what after all this, what steps have you taken? What steps will you take? And whether any other methodology is required for combating such artificial flooding.
yes, Lordship. I
It
understand.
can't be a general solution that we are doing whatever we could. No. You must find out, because this is a recent phenomenon.
Yes,
For about 5-6 years, this is happening. Prior to that, it never happened.
yes. It appears,
And this
Lordship,
will require a long-term measure. Now, it could be because of diversion of river. It could be because of reckless construction work. It could be because of blockage of drains. It could be because of some area becoming low-lying, becoming a catchment area for rainwater. It can be redressed by going for rain harvesting. Now, all these aspects have to be gone into for a proper civic life in the city of Guwahati.
so far as this particular area is concerned, Lordship, this is a new phenomenon, Lordship, which we are
That is
also
what we have
trying
said.
to.
No, this is a new phenomenon.
Yes.
Therefore, it can always be addressed.
Lordship,
It's not an old phenomenon. So the culprit must be the construction, reckless construction. Now, you can't help it,
Lordship.
but you will have to ensure that the authorities which pass sanction for construction, they are careful. Number two, if there is any diversion of river water, perhaps Bahini River
Yes.
course
Yes.
has deflected and therefore this flooding. And there are many other aspects.
There is
Rainwater
some,
harvesting. Have you started rainwater harvesting?
No, in specific, no, Lordship. But
Then-
there is a report.
then-
There is a report, Lordship,
then-
by an expert.
Then, Mr. Nayak, it is all lip service.
Lordship. No, there
Find
is
out and tell us.
Lordship,
Don't
after-
just, your job is not over by filing an affidavit.
Lordship. Lordship, I will try to, Lord.
Ajay, you represent GMD and other.
Yes, Lord.
You collect all information, file a. Take all information, let us know.
Lordship, our expectation is that in 3-4 months again monsoon season will begin. Then if
They are fixing it in first week of February.
yes, Lordship, if short-term and long-term measures which was recommended by special committee,
Here, Mr.
it
Nayak,
ought to have been addressed, Lordship.
Mr. Nayak, learn it. Your government advocate, no?
Yes.
Your additional advocate.
Yes.
Mr. Nayak, learned additional advocate general submits that after taking instructions from the other departments, after taking instructions and collating all such information, he shall get back to this court with positive scheme for improving the artificial flooding in Rukmini Gaon area. List this matter on February first week in it.
Obliged. 5-2. Supplementary list, item 15.
Obliged, Lordship. May it please your Lordship.
I think the single judge gave you more than what we would have given if we had heard. I think he has given you more.
My Lord, I'll straight away show your Lordship the bid document. I'll just going into the bid document. I won't invoke the other grounds.
You need to tell us this.
Yes, my Lord.
Now, what is this clause 413M? Mr. Patak, can you tell us?
Yes, that is not a part of the record here. So this is the GTC. This is the GTC which forms a part of the tender, general terms and conditions.
General terms and conditions.
Yes.
What does it say?
If your Lordship has page number 18 of that document.
Yeah.
Clause M starts at the bottom of the page, your Lordship.
Yes.
The relevant portion is on the next page.
Read the entire of it.
Yes, Your Lordship. There shall be no bid security for bids stroke reverse auction having estimated value less than rupees 5 lakhs. For bid stroke reverse auction having estimated value more than rupees 5 lakhs while finalizing e-bid stroke reverse auction, buyer shall indicate the exact amount of bid security required to be submitted by bidders. Scanned copy of the same shall be uploaded by seller in the online bid, and hard copy of the same will have to be submitted directly to the buyer within 5 days of bid opening, failing which the bid may be treated as incomplete and may lead to rejection of the bid by buyer without making any reference to the seller. GEM recommends quantum of bid security at 1% of the estimated value of procurement. The buyer also has the option to select bid security between 0.5% to 5%. The same should be valid for 45 days beyond the bid validity.
No, that's all right. Where do you want to take it?
Clause 1, Your Lordship.
Yes, read that.
Micro and small enterprises who are holding valid Udyam registration and are manufacturer of the offered product or service, primary products or service in case of bunch bid with total value-wise evaluation, and give specific confirmation to this effect at the time of bid submission, and claim EMD exemption and whose credentials are validated online through Udyam registration website of Ministry of MSME, and also through supporting documents uploaded during bidding process and validated by the buyer. State government buyers may, however, choose to exempt only MSEs from the state or bid inviting authority by specifying the same in additional terms and conditions of the bid. In case no such additional terms and conditions is included, eligible MSEs of all states are exempted. Then if Your Lordship has the note on the next page, it's in bold. Note 1, no EMD to be taken from exempt category of sellers even by way of specific clauses mentioned in the ATC/STC. Such clauses which are against the GEM GTC will be treated as null and void. However, state government state autonomous state local bodies state PSU cooperatives may choose to seek EMD from MSE bidders by specifying the same in additional terms and conditions service terms and conditions of the bid. In case no such bid is included in additional terms and conditions.
Oh, is there any ATC or?
There is. There is. The Lordship will find the ATC. It starts at page number 27, Your Lordship.
Of the brief.
Of the brief.
Page number 27, this is Annexure 3.
Page number 27. Yes, it's a part of Annexure 5. It's page number 58 here. I beg your pardon. Two page numbers are there. I beg your pardon.
Page number 58.
58. Two page number. Bid document. Yes. It's a part of the bid document.
Bidding document.
Notice inviting tender of 19/12/2025. This is a part of the additional terms and conditions. If Your Lordship has the last two paragraphs at the bottom of the page, this is to clarify that the EMD amount bid security.
You're reading at page 58.
58, Your Lordship.
The notice inviting tender.
Notice inviting tender.
19/12/2025.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, what does it say?
At the bottom, the second paragraph on the bottom.
Yes. This is to clarify. Yes.
This is to clarify that the EMD amount bid security is not exempted in this bid tender for MSME firms registered under Udyam as per manual for procurement of consultancy and other services updated up to June 2022, Government of India, clause number so and so. Under subclause 8 of clause 4 and clause 5 of the Assam Procurement Preference Policy 2021, any startup registered in Assam and holding a valid My Assam Startup ID, MASI, shall be eligible for the following benefits. Issue of tender sets free of cost, 50% exemption from payment of EMD, 50% waiver.
What else do you want?
Yes, my lord.
You're Mr. Rathi.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Rathi, what else do you want?
My lord, in the bid document, which is issued by the government e-market itself, the GEM GTC terms and condition, which has been cited by my learned friend, the same government e-market has issued subsequent bid document, my lord. In this matter, my lord, if your lordship may just look upon page number 89 of the writ appeal, my lord. This is the bid document pertaining to this tender itself, which has been issued by the government e-market, my lord. The terms are contradicting to each other from the NIT and this bid document of the GEM. If your lordship is there, my lord. My lord, this is the tender 7 January and for 120 days, and the details and everything is.
Where are you reading from?
Page 89, my lord.
This is dated 19/12/2020.
Yes, my lord. And this GEM GTC is of 1st December, my lord. If your lordship may kindly look upon, these are the terms of this particular bid, and subsequently at page number 91, exemption of EMD has been mentioned, my lord. If your lordship is there in the top, EMD exemption.
The bidder seeking EMD exemption must submit the valid supporting document for the relevant category as per the GEM JTC with the bid. Under MSC category, only manufacturers of
Just a minute.
goods.
Page 91,
91, my lord. In the top, my lord.
bid exemption, EMD exemption.
Yes, my lord.
The bidder seeking EMD exemption
Must submit the valid supporting document for the relevant category as per GEM JTC with the bid. Under MSC category, only manufacturers of goods and services service provider for services are eligible for exemption from EMD. Traders are excluded from the purview of this policy. Subsequently, my lord, this is one, my lord, and if your lordship may look upon page number 97, my lord, of this bid document. The approval of APDCL has been taken by the GEM, my lord. I'll just read disclaimer portion under the subhead of disclaimer, my lord. It is written. The additional terms and conditions have been incorporated by the buyer after approval from the competent authority in buyer organization, whereby the buyer organization is solely responsible for the impact of these clauses on the bidding process, its outcome, consequences, and thereof, including any eccentricity restriction arising in the bid process due to these ATCs. My lord, this is the ATC which has been filed, and due to the modification of technical specification or the terms and conditions.
Right, that's all right. But then this is to be read subject to what you read out in page 91.
EPBG. My lord,
so
if
you
you
have applied, and then there is no contradictory clause. This read with, you know, at page 58 makes it very clear that exemptions are not totally barred, but then the state would have its own choice. And then you have said that 50% is what is permissible. They have given it to you.
My lord, the bid document and the APDCL terms and conditions. If my lord may look upon clause 2 of this disclaimer portion which I was reading.
Record, Mr. Patak.
Very
File your response. We are not passing any order. I think more benefit than what was due to you has been given to you.
In the writ petition, your lordship, or in these proceedings? Very well, your lordship.
My lord, it's just a non-obstant clause which has been mentioned. If your lordship may look in the disclaimer portion, I have not read that portion, my lord.
No, we are not interfering with it. 50% exemption has been given to you. And this is also subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
Yes.
GEM terms and condition APDCL are contradicting each other, my lord.
Let it go before the learned single judge. We are not interfering with the order. By the impugn order dated 6/1/2026. The appellant has been permitted to submit his tender under the NIT with deposit of 50% of the EMD, which however would be subject to further orders which would be passed in the writ proceeding. Mr. Rathi, learned advocate for the appellant, dissatisfied with exemption of 50% only, with permission of exemption, with exemption of 50% only, has preferred this appeal on the ground that under the GEM directives, MSc certified an MSc organization is entitled to total exemption from payment of bid security, from payment of EMD or participation in the bid. Opposing such contention, Mr. Pathak, learned counsel for respondent APDCL, submits that the general terms and conditions on GEM clearly specifies that the state government / state autonomous / state local bodies / state PSU / cooperatives may choose to seek EMD from MSc bidders by specifying the same in ATC / STC of the bid. In case no such clause is included in the ATC / STC, comma, EMD exemption as per para M, as per the provision contained in clause M of rule 13 of the GTC shall prevail. Next, clause M of rule 13 of the GTC on GEM 4 version 4, GEM 4 bracket version 1.7, 1.27 dated 1st of December 2025 specifies that there shall be no bid security for bids slash RA having estimated value of less than 5 lakh. First up, for bids slash RA having estimated value of more than 5 lakh, comma, while finalizing e-bid slash RA, the buyer shall indicate the exact amount of bid security required to be submitted by bidder. By bidders. In the present case, comma, 50% exemption has already been granted by the land single judge as an interim measure, which also would be subject to the final decision in the writ proceeding. Now, under such circumstances, we do not find it appropriate to interfere at this stage and permit the appellant to participate in the writ proceedings so that the proceedings is taken to a logical conclusion. There is no merit in this appeal. The appeal is dismissed.
Lordship, I just
We make it clear that any observation made by this court in the present appeal shall not influence the proceeding, shall not influence the writ proceeding before the learned single.
I just wanted to point out one thing. It's not clause 13, it's clause 4 Roman 13.
Clause 4 Roman 13.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Mr.
Deeply.
Much obliged.
Item 10.
My lord, I have informed the junior of senior counsel as doctor, and I tried to.
Mr. S. Datto is on hunger strike.
No, my
He is not sitting in the hunger strike.
lordship, he is on legs.
He's on legs.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. So we keep it, but you accept notice?
Lordship.
Already at the time of filings, copy has been served upon the standing counsel.
Mr. Chakravarti, you perhaps either you're too full of the facts of your case or you don't understand the procedure by which this court would proceed to decide the matter. So what? Copy has been served, so what?
I can serve an extra copy also, ma'am.
Not required. Are we asking you? Can you hold back for a while? Let notice be issued to respond number 1 / Punjab National Bank. The notice is accepted by MS
S. Musahari.
S. So and so, junior to Mr. S. Datta. S. Datta.
Yes.
Let Mr. Datta as Datta. Let this matter be listed on 13th of February, enabling Mr. Datta to participate in the proceedings.
My lord, I'm a small player. Already the matter has been remanded and the next date is sometime in the month of January, my lord, last part of January. So if that matter proceeds, then
Doesn't matter, we'll take it back from the authorities. Now 17A. This should have been 17A2 for him to pass orders on issues. Anyway, this is arguable. We'll see.
No.
We'll see. We are, since this is an appeal, no?
my lord, it's an appeal.
Therefore, it is up to you MS Moshari, whether you will like to file response. Otherwise, your response in the writ petition shall be all right, but your senior should be here to contest the matter.
Lordship, on the next date, my senior name may be shown in the court.
Senior's name is never reflected in the cause list. Your name shall, therefore we have taken your name.
Yes.
Yes. And you also inform.
My lord, I'll definitely look.
On that day, you inform that this is the matter. The court would require your presence.
In fact, I tried to call him, but perhaps he's unable to pick up the call.
13th of February.
My lord.
Of light.
All right.